Alright class, today is behavior report card day. I'll teach you why to synchronize the example. Now. It's detention. What means you have 50 minutes of detention. Page means Mom. Here's bro, you're suspended for 2 months. And then start his bro, you are suspended for months.
Oh my god.
And also, quick you have been expelled from school. Quick means you are expelled from school. Talk is quick means you also expelled from school. And it's here. Now pay attention for this card. If you get the black eye, that means you're super duper. But ultra expelled for the school this time for a whole year. And now, that's all the cost. Here are you.